Hey guys, Justin here of Tech, and if you may have noticed, Realme has been releasing promising smartphones for the past couple of months. We got the Realme 6 and 6 Pro, the C11, C12, and the X3 Super Zoom to name a few. Now Realme is introducing two more, and you've read the title. One is the Realme 7 Pro and the other is this Realme 7 that we will unbox and quickly check out in this video. So like usual, we're greeted with Realme's yellow box, and opening it will show a smaller box that says, "Hey, welcome to Realme family." Inside it are its protective jelly case, paperwork, and SIM ejector tool. And then we have the phone itself. Let's remove the plastic. Pretty nice. It reminds me of somehow a CD texture when I move it. Now other things included in the package are this USB Type-C cable and a power adapter. Focusing on the phone, right off the bat, the Realme 7 exudes a chic design with a frosted texture on it. Realme calls this the mirror design, and honestly, it looks really good. You get this stunning light effect when you move the device from different angles, and we think it's cool. Our unit comes in mist white, but there's also a mist blue variant available. At the back, we get a vertically placed quad-rear camera module together with some Realme branding. The Realme 7 feels quite thick to grip, and it comes with a little heft too compared to the Pro version. But it's fine for us considering that this one has a slightly bigger battery. Okay, situated at the top left corner of the screen is a hole punch cutout that houses its front-facing camera and the call speaker on top. On the right, we have the power button that also functions as the fingerprint scanner. While on the left side, you can find the volume rocker and a triple card tray for 2 nano SIM cards and 1 micro SD card that's expandable up to 256GB. Nothing can be found up top, while at the bottom we get its primary microphone, loudspeaker, 3.5mm audio port, and a USB Type-C port. For display, we get a sizable 6.5-inch IPS Full HD Plus screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a pixel density of 405 pixels per inch. It also comes with Corning Gorilla Glass protection that the brand didn't really specify. And as we've seen in the Realme 6 series, Realme is sticking with the 90Hz refresh rate for the Realme 7 only. And without a doubt, the display looks great even if it's an IPS screen. Colors are accurate and vibrant, and the 90Hz refresh rate is definitely an icing on the cake. For internals, powering the Realme 7 is a MediaTek Helio G95 gaming processor paired with a Mali G76MC4 GPU, 8GB of RAM, and a 128GB UFS 2.1 internal storage. So far, everything's running smoothly. The device also comes with a large 5000 mAh battery with 30 watts dart charge. And Realme claims that you can get a total of 50% in just 26 minutes. We'll see about that in our full review soon, so stay tuned. As for software, it's running on Realme UI based on Android 10. When it comes to cameras, we get the same quad-rear camera setup from its Pro version, consisting of a 64MP Sony IMX682 main, an 8MP ultra-wide, a 2MP black and white, and a 2MP macro lens. Meanwhile, for selfies, we have a 16MP Sony IMX471 front shooter. Take a look at the first few sample photos we got. So with the Realme 7, you're getting a buttery 90Hz refresh rate, great chipset, and a large battery capacity that will probably last you a day or two. Its Philippine price is yet to be released, but we'll put it in the description box below once it's officially available. To find out more about this device, stay tuned for our full review soon. And if you want to catch Realme's Facebook livestream launch event for the Realme 7 and 7 Pro, you can head over to Realme's official Facebook page on September 30, 2020 at noon. And that's it for now, guys. Share to us what you think about the Realme 7 in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.